Hello and welcome all of you to Easy Electrical. So today I'll be giving you a detail or small idea about what all we are launching from 20th September onwards. So just be with me and you will understand whatever we are doing. Now we will be starting our subject wise booking of the courses. Okay, so now you see just what I have just now said, that from 19th September 2020 onwards, that is this Sunday, our electrical machines batch will be launched, and this machine batch will be launched based on our SSC JEE syllabus, and this will also cover whatever AE part is also there, assistant engineer part is also there, that will also be covered in this. Now your educator is myself only, having 10 plus years of experience and close to 5 years of teaching experience. Now to give you a small idea about what all our course features, here you can see we have mentioned some of the course features. First of all, you can see all our classes will be via online and via Google Meet. Now after completing the class, you will be having a class notes, then we will be providing each and every day a practice set containing 20 to 25 questions. There is simple questions that will be done, and you would need to submit those. Then there will be subject test. After completion, every month there will be subject test that will be conducted, and what we specialize in is basically this classroom recording. Every classroom will be recorded and will be uploaded to YouTube, and you can get that. Now one of the most important and interesting parts is that in many coachings you must have seen that is the doubt solving part is taken care by somebody and the teaching part is taken care by somebody, but in this case doubt solving will also be done by me. My contact number will be provided to you, and you can directly call me whenever you are facing any doubts. Now coming to this next part, what all our syllabus will be. See, in electrical machines there are mainly two parts. There is one a DC part, another one is a AC part. So in DC machine you can see we have the DC machines with magnetic circuits. Now in that we will be covering all the previous year questions will be covered in that, and all the theoretical concepts that are included will be done. Same applies for the AC machines and transformers as well. Everything will be covered, starting from alternator, synchronous motor, induction motor, and everything. Single phase motors also play an important role, and basically some of the special motors are there that are also included and will be covered in details in our class. Now the timing plays an important role for everybody, because some of you might be working in some of the firms. So I have tried to made a time that is from Sunday 10 AM to 1 PM. That will be fixed time, there will be no changes, and I am planning to cover around 40 hours of the class, minimum 40 hours of the class will be there. And in the class, whatever recordings will be done, it will be shared with you. So suppose if someday due to some reason you are unable to attend the class, so you can very easily from the recordings also you can understand. And in that case, if you feel that some of the topics I am lacking and you need a consultation with me, you can directly call me, and you can get the consultation. Now who are the important people here? First of all, you are the foremost and most important people, because your hard work will only determine your success. Next is, what is our job? Our job here is to provide you a easy understanding of everything, so that you can grasp all the difficult concepts at ease. Now we'll be having labs incorporation soon. That means you must have seen IIT KGP, that VLab format. So that VLab format will also be incorporated here. And one more special announcement that I'd like to make, that we are planning and we are in talks with some of our colleges to provide you practical lab experience via online medium. How? We'll be recording the lectures and will be sent to you, and whenever it is done we will inform you. Now what is the price? Now the course price is fixed at rupees 2000. This is a one time payment. You need to pay this amount, and this is available till 20th September. So today is 18th, 17th. So in 20th September, up to 20th September, this price will be valid. After that, it will change. So this is for this electrical machines class only. And you all know that we also run our full course is there. So if you wish to join the full course, you can watch our video that is also mentioning the course fees of the total. Now here is our contact number. You can note down this contact number, and you can call in this number so that you can book your class via online medium. Now the seats are limited. You see, what I feel is, in an online class there must be around 15 to 20 students what I can handle. Above that, we cannot solve the doubts of each and every one. So we have kept that thing to a 20 seats per minimum. Now next, thank you everyone for staying up to this point. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Your share helps us. Thank you all.